Hi, welcome to Crafty Therapy by Elle. My name is Lorraine and today I'm going to be making a bow using my Easy Bow Maker, my deluxe Easy Bow Maker. I have 3 wired ribbons. 2 of them are 2.5 inch and one is 1.5 inch. I'm using my self-healing mat just to basically extend the ruler that comes on the Easy Bow Maker, a nice pair of sharp scissors, my wire cutters. I'm going to need 1 pipe cleaner and 1 8-inch zip tie. If you have any questions about these supplies, you can take a look down below. I have everything listed and linked down to my Amazon store. So you can get everything there and shipped right to you. A lot of these materials can also be purchased in your local craft store. So let's get started. This is an order from my Etsy shop that I need to ship out today. So it's going to be going on a burlap wreath. So I'm measuring out 10 inches. So here we have 8 inches and then I'm extending it another 2 inches. And when you put your wired ribbon in, you need to do that twist right there so that when you come back around, the pattern or pretty side is facing up. So I'm measuring 5.5 inches. I'm going to bring this down. Again, you need to do your twist. 5.5 inches on the other side. My ribbon got caught under there, but that's okay. Just flatten it out. So 5.5 inches on each side. And I'm going to do 2 loops on each side. Make sure you're using quality wired ribbon so that you have nice loops that will stand up. I have all the bow makers, the Bow Dabra, the Pro Bow, the hands, this one. I can do bows by my hands without any help, but I always seem to go back to the Easy Bow Maker because I find it's the easiest to use. It's got the ruler on it. Now here I'm just measuring up my tails and I'm going to cut them straight across. Okay. This looks like it's got a little, that's okay. That's going to be fine. Now I'm going to bring in my second ribbon, which is my army ribbon. And I'm going to measure it up to my tails, putting it in and giving it that twist. I'm going to come in just a little bit shy of the last ribbon. Twisted it, and this I'm only going to do 1 loop on each side. Measure it up. And my last ribbon, the camo ribbon, I'm going to come in just a little bit shorter on my tail. And I'm going to do 2 loops, a little bit shorter, 2 loops on each side for this. Twisting every time so that your pattern side is up. And I'm going to measure out my tails. Now at this point, I'm going to spread out my loops, 1 up, 1 down, 1 up, 1 down. The middle one will stay in the middle. And I'm holding it here so that I can give each layer a nice pull and it's not going to move anywhere. Now I'm going to take my 8-inch zip tie. They come in many colors. This one's a tan to match the ribbon. I'm going to come underneath all the layers. and up the middle. While the ribbon is still in the fingers, I'm going to secure that zip tie. Now I'm going to lift up, and before I pull it out of the fingers, I'm going to secure it a little bit tighter. So now I can take it out. It's pretty tight. I'm going to slide it to the back, securing it a little bit but not fully, so that I could take my pipe cleaner, thread it underneath the zip tie, and pull it about halfway. Now I can secure it tight. I can trim off my zip tie, take my pipe cleaner and use that as a holder. And now I'm going to round out my loops. Smooth out my tails. Make sure everything is in place. And then I'm going to take my tails and I'm just going to cut an angle just to finish it off. Nice sharp scissor will give you a nice sharp cut. Okay, there we have it. Pretty bow. It's going to go onto my burlap wreath. If you have any questions or would like to purchase any bows, you could check out my Etsy shop, craftytherapybyl.etsy.com. Be sure to subscribe if you found that this video was helpful. I have many other wreath making and bow making videos available for you to watch. Have a great day.